Chapter 7. Our country, India. India is a country of vast geographical expanse in the north. It is bound by the lofty Himalayas, the Arabian Seas in the west, the Bay of Bengal in the east, and the Indian Ocean in the south. Was the source of the Indian Peninsula. India has an area of about 3.28 million square km. The north-south extent from Kashmir to Kanyakumari is about 3,200 km, and the east-west extent from Arunachal Pradesh to Kutch is about 2,900 km. The lofty mountains, the Great Indian Desert, the northern plains, and the uneven plateau surface and the coast and Iceland present a diversity of landforms. There is a great variety in the climate, vegetation, wildlife, as well as in the language and culture. In this diversity, we find unity that is reflected in the traditional more than 120 crores since the year 2011. It is the second most populous country of the world after China. Location settings. India is located in the northern hemisphere. The Tropic of Cancer passes almost halfway through the country. From south to north, the mainland of India extend between from west to east. India extend between 68.7 longitudes. If we divided the world into eastern and western hemisphere, which hemisphere world India belong to due to regard longitudinal extent of about 29. There could be wild difference in a local time of a palace located at two extreme points of India. As such, the difference between these two points would be of about 2 hours. As you learned earlier, the local time change by 4 minutes for every 1 degree of longitude. The sun rises about 2 hours earlier in the east, Arunachal Pradesh, than in the west. You have already read earlier to the local time of longitude of E has been taken as the Indian Standard Time. This meridian of longitude is also termed as the Standard Meridian of India.